This is a brand new 2014 Ford F-150. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 5.0-liter V8, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a voice-activated navigation system, Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a limited slip differential, skid plates, hill descent control, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: aluminum wheels, an integrated tailgate step, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, front and rear floor mats, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, a multi-function display, and satellite radio. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Hollingsworth Richards Ford is located at 7787 Florida Boulevard in Baton Rouge. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits. And as always, remember, at Hollingsworth Richards, we're making deals every day.